Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset your password on Robinhood. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to robinhood.com. After that, click on Login button. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forget Your Password link. Now, type in your email address associated with your Robinhood account and click on Send Email button. You will get a password reset email. Click on the Reset Password button. You will get an interface like this after clicking on Reset Password button. Now type in a new password on this field. And confirm your new password by typing it again on this field here. Now click on Reset Password button. So that is how you can reset your password on Robinhood. As you can see that I have been logged into my account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.